As winter approaches, now's the time to get into your garden and get it ready for those cooler months.
Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, taking the necessary steps to prepare your garden for winter can help ensure a successful growing season come spring.
As we're coming to the end of autumn and winter is around the corner, this garden has been left with all these leaves. It's important to properly dispose of these leaves to maintain a healthy and attractive garden and outdoor space. The first thing off the bat, we're going to clean these leaves up. For smaller areas, you can use a sturdy garden rake, or for larger areas, a blower vac can be more efficient.
The leaf type may dictate how you'll dispose of them. You can compost most leaf varieties yourself, or you can use these claws to manually put them in your council's green waste bin. If your bin's getting full, you can use a blower vac or a lawnmower to break the leaves down. The excess leaves can be spread around your garden as mulch.
We're not the only ones that feel the cold, plants do too. Throughout the colder months, if your garden is affected by frost, it can be harmful to your plants. But there are a few things you can do to protect them. If you have potted plants like this one, you can add mulch or wrap them in plastic film. With this protective barrier, it can help protect plants from frost and temperature fluctuations, which can occur throughout the day and night. Just remember to remove this once the colder months have passed.
If you have smaller plants, you can use these plastic domes over them. Place them indoors, wrap them in hessian or place them in a greenhouse. Greenhouses are great because they help plants grow by providing a controlled environment. It extends the growing seasons, which means you can grow your season's crops earlier and for longer, regardless of the outdoor weather conditions. They are also available in a wide range of sizes and can be temporary or more permanent.
Planting bare-rooted plants in the winter while they are dormant allows them to establish their root systems before the growing season begins. To plant a bare-root plant, like this dwarf apple, create a small mound of soil in the centre of the hole and spread the roots over it, filling in soil around the roots and watering thoroughly after planting. This is a dwarf apple and doesn't have a large canopy, so won't block the sun getting to the veggies underneath. A good tip if your plant has a large canopy compared to your root ball is to trim it back slightly, as this will reduce the amount of stress the plant incurs. Now is also a great time to prune any deciduous trees in your garden if needed.
You want to make sure there is still a pop of colour throughout your garden in winter. Pansies are hardy annuals which bloom all winter long and can tolerate cool climates. They come in a variety of colours, which is a great way to inject that splash of colour into your garden. Cyclamens love the cold and provide great colour throughout winter.
As we know, the sun sets a lot earlier and rises a lot later during the colder months. So think about installing garden lights. This will allow you to see and enjoy your garden in low light and help you navigate around your garden at night time. There's several types of garden lighting to suit any space. Depending on where you live and the amount of winter sun you get, you may want to choose between solar or powered lights and sensor lights. Consider lighting up feature trees, pathways and along garden edging. Festoon lights and spotlights are a great way to light up an entertainment area.
Speaking of entertainment areas, our DIY storage bench seat is a great place to store winter firewood as well as keep cushions out of the winter weather.
Now that our garden beds are sorted, it's time to take on the veggie garden. The plants we planted in autumn are growing strong and will continue to grow and produce during the winter months. However, I'm still wanting to plant winter veggies such as kale, carrots, cauliflower and cabbage. If you live in an area with milder winter temperatures, other herbs may still grow well indoors in a kitchen herb garden. Starting an indoor herb garden in winter can be a great way to enjoy fresh herbs all year round. Select herbs that are okay in indoor conditions and that you enjoy using in your cooking. Place the herbs on a windowsill, a table near a window, or a bright corner in your home. By taking the time to clean up, protect and nourish your plants, you can help them survive the harsh winter weather and thrive when the warmer weather returns.
Winter is the last chance to get bulbs in the ground for beautiful colour come spring.
Preparing for winter allows us to have a really fantastic spring and a great productive season.
Oh, we've nailed it, Rosie. Let's grab a cuppa.
Sounds great, mate.